Hey guys, so today we shall learn about what are the different professions we have around and what are they called in Telugu. So let's get started. Actor. An actor in Telugu is known by the name Natudu. 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 Actress can be called by either of these three names Nati, Natimani, or Abhinetri. Advocate or lawyer. You call it as Nyayavadi or Vakilu. Artist. You can see an example of a tattoo artist. So, in general, the term artist in Telugu is called by the name Kalakarudu. Astrologer. In Telugu is known by the name Jyotishkudu. Author is called by the name Grandhakarta. Barber. You call him as Mangali. Broker is known by the name Madhyavarti. Carpenter is known by the name Vadrangi. Charioteer in Telugu is known by the name Radhasarathi. A clerk in Telugu is known by the name Gumasta. Doctor in Telugu you call him as Vaidyudu. An electrician you call him as Vidyut Karmikudu. Vidyut means electricity. So Vidyut Karmikudu is an electrician. Farmer. You can call him with either of these names. Raitu or Karshakudu. Gardener. You call him as Totamali. Goldsmith. You can call him with either of these names. Kamsali or Swarnakarudu. Here, Swarna means gold. So, Kamsali or Swarnakarudu means a goldsmith. Judge. You can call him by either of these names. Nyayamurti or Nyaya Nirneta. A journalist or a reporter can be called by the name Vilekari. A juggler in Telugu is known by the name Garadi Vadu. Here, the suffix du represents he is a male person, and this applies to any of the terms in Telugu. Magician in Telugu is known by the name Indrajali Kudu. So I repeat, the suffix du represents he is a male person. Priest is known by the name Pujari or Archakudu. Merchant or trader. You call it in Telugu as Vyapari. And the relevant terms for this merchant are business and businessman. So business in Telugu is known as Vyaparam. And a businessman is known by the name Vyaparavetta. Porter. You call him in Telugu as Coolie. A soldier is known as Sainikudu. Scientist in Telugu is known as Sastravetta. Teacher in Telugu is known by the name Upadhyayudu. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to practice. And also, please do subscribe to my channel to get notified about my upcoming educative and informative videos. Stay safe, stay healthy.